Yo guys, it's HBFS and it's your boy Steve Bino. We're happy to be back again on our YouTube channel. And in today's video, we want to take a quick hard look on some major currency pairs like GPUSD, Euro USD, Euro JPY, gold. And for those who actually love trading Nasdaq, yeah, we might actually look at Nasdaq at the end of this video. So before we get started, guys, watch the introduction video and we'll be right back. Analysis for today. Please, if you have been watching our YouTube video and you yet to subscribe to the channel, the sub to the channel will be tasty. And if you find our video interesting, do also to give it a thumbs up and drop your comment in the comment section. So as you can see right now, this is Euro USD 4-hour time frame. Euro USD 4-hour time frame. Yeah, and this is the trade we're actually in right now. If you are in my Telegram group, I send this analysis to my Telegram free Telegram group and I told them to actually buy EU, and of course it's a good trade. I think it's about 70 plus pips. Let's see. So it's our entry. Yeah, 74 pips in profit. Overall target is 127 pips in profit. This is where we're expecting EU to go to. So our bias still remains the same. EU for this coming week, it's gonna be an uptrend. Of course, there might be some fundamental news that is likely going to come out during the week, but the overall direction of EU is still an uptrend. That is still our bias, guys. Okay. Um, let's go to the 1 hour time frame to have a more look on EU on the 1 hour time frame. Okay guys, so let's head down to 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, so the same thing that happened here, if you look to your left side, this was what happened here on the 1 hour time frame from our left side. This is actually GU. Market broke, market came down to this level and it got rejected several times at this level. We actually option in for a buy then and we took our profit somewhere around this level. It's actually repeating itself now. We saw what happened when the market broke out of the trend line here and then price shoot up to this very level here. The same thing is actually going on in the market right now. Price actually broke through this trend line. Price broke through this trend line, and just as price did here, price is also going up, and this time we're expecting it to get to this psychological level 1.22000. So the overall trend is still an uptrend. I'll be looking to take our profit around 1.22000. And if we decide to go to the daily time frame, let me show you guys our analysis on the daily time frame. So this is our analysis on the daily time frame, guys. Look at it here. GU has been EU rather Euro USD has been an uptrend for some time now and continue pushing price up. What happened? Notice the price came back to this trend line here and bounced this trend line, got rejected from the trend line and then tested this restart trend line. But if we zoom out completely, we notice that here the market broke this key level here, this key resistance trend line. Market broke through it, showing that the bulls are still very strong in the market. So market broke through this level here, indicating that the bulls are still very strong in the market. So all we're looking at on EU is an uptrend. We'll not be looking for a downtrend. Any downtrend on GU is it's going to be a retracement. There was break instruction here and there was a retest. So on the retest, upon the retest of the broken trend line, that is when we actually took our entry. Okay, let me make it more clearer here. So this is the resistance trend line. Market broke through it and then came back and retested it, and here other block here the market maker actually placed their position. So this was how we caught the move, using this other block. This was how we caught the move on GU with our stop loss right below the wick of the other block. And so when the market opens, our bias still remains an uptrend. We could see something of this kind. We could see a little retracement, maybe to retest this psychological level, and then we're going to see a further push. Then we're going to see a further push to the upside. This is our overall target profit on GU. So we can see something of this nature when the market happens. Of course, this is just technical analysis, guys. It's only technical analysis. We are aware that sometimes, maybe during the week, there might be a news that's going to affect it, but the overall trend is still bullish. So we're watching out for a buy entry instead of a sell entry. So our bias remain bullish. So that is that for EU. Let's quickly go to GU, and let's see what GU have for us. Okay, GU, guys. So this is GU. Let me remove this. Yeah. So GU also is an uptrend market, guys. GU is also an uptrend market. Okay, so what do we have in GU? We're actually taking 100 piece trades in GU. I also draw this signal on my free telegram group, and even I did drop it on my IG. I did drop it on my IG too. So if you yet to follow me on Instagram, kindly share the description, because you're gonna see the link to our Instagram account there, Twitter, and of course the link to the free telegram group. We do share analysis to the free telegram group, so kindly share the description box and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram. So our bias on EU still remains an uptrend too, just like EU. GU is still an uptrend, and when the market opens, this is what we're gonna do when the market opens, guys. Okay, so as you can see, price has been respecting this trend line. This is the first touch, the second bounce, the third one, and price is currently reacting to 1.4100 level. So this is a strong resistance level, a psychological level for that matter. So price currently reacting to it. So what we are expecting GU to do when the market opens is a little drop to this level. So we're expecting GU to drop to retest this resistance, this support trend line here, and watch for a bounce at the trend line. So once we see rejection at this trend line, we're going to option in for more position, the buy position. So we could see something of this kind, and possible is to actually come here and then shoot up and then goes up and then goes up. So once the market start approaching this support trend line, we have to watch for a weak rejection at this level. If there is no rejection at this level, we are not going to take our position. Simply means that the market can actually push down. It's going to push down to this level here, 1.40650. But the bias is still an uptrend. Any sell you see on deal is only a retracement. It's only a retracement. If we zoom in, notice that the market broke through this trend line. So we can actually see a retest at this trend line. So we can see a retest. So this is what the market is about to do now. It's about to retest the broken trend line, and that is what's going on right now. So when the market open, G is going to push a little bit to the downside before the buyer continue. So the bias again, just like EU still remains an uptrend coming this way. This only our view. It's based on technical analysis. Fundamental actually come up during the week and it's likely going to affect the market direction, but still the overall direction, overall price movement of GU is still an uptrend. So that is what we're looking at. We're looking to long GU. Our focus is not on the short. We're actually looking to long GU when the market opens. So we have to wait for the market to open and add another position. So actually on this trade, currently on this trade right now, so we're just waiting for market to open, and probably if we can see something, a drop to this level or a drop to this level here, we add more positions in long EU guys. We're gonna stack it. So this is still our overall target profit. So I think we're looking about 195 pips from our entry in profit with just 21 pips stop loss. Mad. So it's massive, guys. It's massive. So G is still an uptrend, still an uptrend market. And the next one to look at now is Hero JPY. Hero JPY. Okay, let's see what Hero JPY have for us. Yeah, Hero JPY is funny, took us out yesterday. Hero JPY took us out minus 20 pips stop loss yesterday, Friday. Yeah, and so this Hero JPY, this is the previous weekly high, and this is buy stop liquidity, and this is supposed to be stop hunt, and exactly they did that. They did hunt our stop loss yesterday and they took us out. So what do we expect of EJ when the market open coming week? What do we expect? Well, our bias for EJ is gonna be a downtrend for this week. It's gonna be a downtrend for this week. But we will be looking out for a break of this structure. We're going to look for a break of this structure. So we have to wait for market to shoot to the downside. Let me remove this. Okay, so as you can see here, price has been respecting this level, this dynamic support level. So when the market open, we can see something of this. We can see a move like this. You can see a move to this trend line. This is the first touch, second, third, and this is going to be the fourth touch. So it's only going to be a sell market when price breaks through this dynamic support level. That is only where we are going to consider going short on EJ. So when the market open, we're just gonna look and observe what's going on in the market. Gonna observe how price is gonna react to this level when the market opens. Sure, market is gonna come to test this level, this dynamic support level here when it opens. So we're gonna watch out. So upon touching this dynamic support, upon touching it, and we see a weak rejection from this level, then we actually know that EJ is going to continue the bullish move. So, but if it breaks through this level, we are going to wait for a possible retest of this level, a long and short EJ. So, we have something of this. So EJ can do something like this, test this level, and thereafter continues the upward movement, or it can do something like this, break through it, retest it, and then to this level. So this is the two possible move for EJ. This is two possible move for EJ. It might actually bounce, might actually test and bounce this trend line here, or it might actually break through, and once it break through, we have to wait for a retest to this level and then short EJ. So we're just gonna wait for the market to open, of course, and see how price is gonna play out. The next we're gonna look at now is gold. Gold. Let's go to the daily time frame. Gold. Okay. So this is gold on the daily time frame. Of course, you know gold is highly volatile. So if your account is small, you have to be extremely cautious when taking gold signal because it's really volatile. But as you can see here on gold daily time frame, you can see price is retesting this dynamic resistance level here. We've seen couple of rejection from this level before. The price is coming to retest it again. So we have to wait for candlestick rejection pattern on the lower time frame to watch out for our entry. So this is what we're gonna expect from gold. This is daily time frame. You could actually see something of this kind, and then a push up. Reason being that if we use our trend line, okay, here is it, guys. So if we draw a trend line, gold is still an uptrend market. Notice what happened here, here, and here. Upon the touch of this trend line, market actually reacted and went to the upside. Upon the second touch of this trend line, market reacted to and went to the upside. And upon the touch of this trend line again, third time, it got rejected. So it's a key level in the market. So we can be watching for a possible drop from this level and go to open, but it's only gonna be a corrective move. They say it's gonna be a corrective move because the impulse move here is still buy. It's still a buy signal, not a sell signal. So for those aggressive traders, they might want to go short on gold. but as a conservative trader, we want to wait for the retracement, which is the corrective move, and get along with the trend. Move down to 4-hour chart and see. So this 4-hour chart, guys, of gold, 4-hour chart. Yeah. Okay. So okay, let's adjust this level here. You can see a couple of rejection at this level. First touch got rejected, second touch got rejected, and this is the third time price is testing this level, and we'll see a couple rejection from this level. So we're expecting gold to actually come back and to retest this dynamic support level, and thereafter we watch how price is going to react. We're going to watch how price is going to react to this level. So if we see rejection from this level, we know that okay, gold is still going to go up through coming this week. So this is going to be our entry, and this is going to be our stop loss. So this is what we're gonna do when gold is open, when the market is open. We're gonna short gold to this level here. I'm gonna take our profit here. It's a good risk to reward. It's 1:5. 1:5. So it's a good risk to reward ratio, 1:5. But gold is highly volatile, so we want to be mindful of the position size we're going to use for this trade. So this is just a view on GU, EU, EJ, and of course gold. This is in no way financial advice. This is just how we see this pair playing out when the market open. You can actually still do your analysis, but of course it's our view. And when the market open, we'll be hoping to long GU, EU, and we'll be able to short gold as well. As for EJ, we're gonna wait and see how price is gonna react to the key levels, and that's gonna determine our bias. That's gonna determine our bias. So price can actually come down and reject this level and continue the upward movement. Then we can see a breakout of this level and wait for a possible retest and short GG. But then wait for the market to open and see how price is going to play out. So this is it, guys. Remember, save VFS, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly smash the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and let us know what you think about this analysis in the comment section. And do well to follow us on our social media platform, Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram. The link to our social media platform is going to be in the description box, so you can just check it and follow us. So it's your boy Sylvania. I'm signing out right now, guys.